Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. If today is the first time of coming across our YouTube channel, my name is Sharon and you're welcome to Sharon and Chris TV. Thank you guys for coming. For my old time subscribers and my new ones, I really appreciate you all for the love and the support you guys are giving us. Thank you. We really appreciate from the bottom of our hearts. Okay. So in today's video we are going to make ogbono soup with spinach and uziza. So let me introduce to you guys what I'm going to cook this delicious yummy ogbono soup. So here is my ogbono. I've blended, though my blender did not blend it very well, but I'll use it like that. So this is my spinach. I'm using frozen spinach in making my ogbono, and this is my red oil that I'm going to use. So this is the uziza. I'm going to use dry uziza in making my ogbono soup. You can use fresh one, you can use bitter leaf. I'm using garlic, ginger. My ginger is finished, but I'm using this little master there, and my garlic, I'm using this garlic, dry garlic. I'm using, this is my blend scotch bonnet pepper, and this is my crayfish, salt, onion and star maggi that I'm using. So I've steamed my meat. My meat is ready. Is for us to start. And water. So as you can see, I'm close to the sink, so my water is ready. So let's begin in making our delicious step-by-step ogbono soup. Okay guys, I'm going to add water now. So I'm going to add our oil also, so that everything will boil together. And cover. So as our water for the soup is boiling, I'm going, so as our on the fire, let me start slicing our onion and this spinach. So guys, let's check. Before I forget, I'm using goat meat in making the ogbono soup. So goat meat and dry fish and stock fish. Look at our stock fish. And so now I'm going to add onion. I'm going to add the stock fish. And stir. So now we'll cover, allow it to boil proper before adding other things. So let's check if our soup is ready to add other things. So now I'm going to add our ogbono. So some people leave their pot open after adding their ogbono, but I used to cover mine like this. Not all, you cover it half. Okay, so let's wait so that our ogbono will boil very well, and we'll add every other things. So now let's stir. So I'm going to add the dry fish. I've washed it with hot water. I'm going to add it. Our crayfish. Our Maggi. I'm going to add our Maggi now. Our Scotch bonnet pepper. Our ginger. Garlic. And we stir. And cover a bit. So now we are going to add our, let's test and check if we add our salt. The aroma is too much. Yummy. So I'll add a little salt, and I'll add the uziza first. The spinach. If you have ogri, you can add. So now we stir. Oh wow, this is very easy to make, easy to cook. This is your classic ogbono soup. Ogbono soup with swag. So make sure you stir everything together and stir proper. I can't wait to eat. So now just allow it for some time. I will take it down because I don't want the spinach to be too soft. Guys, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share to your friends. Your friend might like it. Comment in the comment section. So now, before I will start ranting, So now I'm going to off the gas. Our ogbono soup is ready. Check out our delicious ogbono soup. Ready to eat. Thank you guys, and God bless you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment in the comment section. Just tell me if I try, if this soup is delicious. Let me know. Okay guys, thank you. Bye. Love you all. Stay safe.